Google Chrome app, quick Google search, new version 2025. Welcome back to my channel Dezco Morgan. Today, we're diving into the brand new features of the Google Chrome app. Quick Google search, new version 2025. If you're a Chrome user, you don't want to miss this update. Section 1, what's new? Google Chrome has revolutionized its search experience with enhanced AI, voice search upgrades, and a redesigned UI. Here are the top new features you need to know. AI-powered search. Smarter and faster results based on user intent. A voice search 2.0, more accurate voice recognition and multi-language support. Instant results. Preview. See web page summaries before clicking. Session dark mode optimization. Better readability and less strain on your eyes. Performance boost, faster loading times and lower battery consumption.
Section 2. How to use the quick search features. Now let's walk through some key features of the quick search function in this latest Chrome update. 1. Using the AI-powered search, open Google Chrome app and type your query in the search bar. AI will suggest personalized results instantly. 2. Voice search 2.0. Tap on the microphone icon. Speak naturally and let Chrome recognize your voice. Get instant, accurate search results in multiple languages. 3. Preview web pages before clicking. Press and hold a search result. A preview window pops up showing a summary of the page. 4. Enable dark mode. Go to settings or appearance in dark mode and enjoy a visually comfortable browsing experience. 5. Speed boost and battery optimization. Close unnecessary tabs. Use light mode for data-saving browsing. Section 3. Advanced features and hidden tips. Now, let's dive deeper into some hidden features and advanced tricks to get the most out of Google Chrome. 1. Using incognito mode for private browsing. Tap the three-dot menu and select New Incognito tab. Browse without saving history or cookies. 2. Chrome flags for experimental features. Type Chrome / flags in the address bar. Enable hidden experimental features for enhanced performance. 3. Reading mode for distraction, free browsing. Enable reading mode in settings for a clean and easy-to-read interface. 4. Sync across devices. Log into Chrome with your Google account. Sync bookmarks, history, and save passwords across all devices. 5. Google Lens integration. Use Google Lens directly from Chrome search. You scan images for instant translations and searches.
Section 4. Final thoughts and outro. That's a wrap for today's video on Google Chrome app, Quick Google Search, new version 2025. With these improvements, Google has truly enhanced our search experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next one. Chrome 2025 also introduces AI-powered suggestions, helping users find information faster by displaying the most relevant search recommendations based on their browsing habits. For users who frequently search for images, the visual search feature is now more advanced. By simply uploading or capturing a photo directly from the browser, Google will recognize objects and provide relevant information within seconds. Integration with other devices has also become more seamless. With the cross-device search feature, users can continue their searches from one device to another effortlessly, as long as they are signed in with the same Google account. For those who shop online frequently, Quick Google Search now includes a smart shopping assistant feature that instantly compares product prices across various e-commerce platforms, helping users find the best deals. Another major advantage of this latest version is power efficiency. Chrome 2025 is designed to consume less power, especially when using search features and active tabs, thereby extending device battery life. To support accessibility, Google has also included a voice assistance for search feature, helping visually impaired users navigate their searches using voice commands. Offline search mode is a new feature that allows users to save their searches while offline, and Chrome will automatically display the results once the device reconnects to the internet. Google has also optimized dark mode, making it more eye-friendly with adjustable color filters, providing comfort for users who browse at night. Another significant update is the instant translation feature, which enables users to translate web pages automatically without switching applications, making information access easier in multiple languages. For developers and creative professionals, Chrome now supports more AI-based extensions, enhancing productivity in various aspects, from research to content editing. Chrome 2025 also improves support for progressive web apps, PWA, allowing web-based applications to run smoothly as if they were native apps on users' devices. Beyond technology enhancements, Google is also focusing on sustainability by introducing an eco-friendly mode, optimizing energy consumption to reduce the environmental impact of browser usage. Overall, Google Chrome 2025 with Quick Google Search is a revolutionary update that delivers a faster, smarter, and safer search experience. With these innovative features, Chrome continues to solidify its position as the best browser in today's digital world.